We go to news now in politics. Take it up with the U.S. Embassy, the advice from the Opposition PNP to the government as Jamaica awaits more information on the proposed deportee deal with the United States. The PNP addressed those and other national issues at a divisional meeting in Admiral Town, St. Andrew. Andrea Chisholm reports.
We're not done with the deportee deal yet. There is more to come.
Ever since the Gleaner broke news on the proposed third country national TCN program between Jamaica and the United States, there have been numerous questions.
And the Andrew Holness-led government must come before the people of Jamaica and be honest with us about what they have signed to and what they have agreed with the United States government.
Jamaica has signed an MOU with the United States for third country nationals TCNs from the US to travel through Jamaica to their final destination. The country is still waiting to hear the full details, but the government says the TCNs cannot have a criminal record. The Gleaner reported that a diplomatic note from the U.S. Embassy stated that Cabinet Minister Audrey Marks was the one who made the proposal for Jamaica to receive up to 10,000 third country nationals from the U.S. But for Audrey Marks, the Gleaner missed the mark. She said the TCN issue is being conflated with a proposal to recruit skilled foreign workers. Senator Cleveland Tomlinson made an observation.
This situation on the deportee deal was not made up by the Gleaner or by Jamaicans talking about it. The Gleaner received a diplomatic note from the U.S. Embassy. It should mean that somebody I tell like don't talk to the Gleaner or us, but talk to the U.S. Embassy, because the Gleaner is reporting what they have received in the diplomatic note.
And what about the proposal to attract skilled workers?
Furthermore, I cannot see how skilled workers will leave high-paid jobs in the United States to come to Jamaica where we have low wages. I don't understand which qualified and competent worker in the United States will come to Jamaica for low wages. And if they're coming to Jamaica and they're not getting low wages, the question I would ask is why would you pay the foreigners more than what you would pay your own people in Jamaica?
In the meantime, PNP President Mark Golding is blasting Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness for not removing Dr. Andrew Wheatley from the cabinet following a damning report from the Integrity Commission. The commission recommended that Wheatley be charged for various breaches, including illicit enrichment.
The tradition in our Westminster style of government is in that situation the person has to step down. No questions asked. Take for yourself right away. You can't be there bringing a cloud over the government of the country. You have to deal with your matter outside the government, and whatever happen. Andrew Holness is violating that principle.
Mr. Golding has a theory on why the Prime Minister has not removed Dr. Wheatley from the cabinet.
Well, it is because he knows that this is the first of several. And what happens in this case is going to influence what happens in the rest that are to come. And he himself is the subject of a very serious investigative report with allegations of all kinds of irregular financial dealings, which the Integrity Commission said should be referred to the FID, the Financial Investigation Division, which investigates financial crimes.
The Integrity Commission has indicated that 8 parliamentarians are being investigated for illicit enrichment, public servants not being able to explain how they own assets which exceed their lawful earnings. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.